Hey guys, welcome to the first video of this series. We're going to focus on installing some fonts to use in GoodNotes and Notability, and this is something that you want to do if you like to type your notes during a lecture, or if you want to reorganize some of your old notes to make them clearer. We're going to be using a free app today, which is iFont, and the fonts that we're going to download are free as well. Keyboard is optional, but it does make it easier to type on these apps. Now for the fonts, I usually use one of 4 fonts. Those are Avenir, Baskerville, Quentin, and Professor. Avenir and Baskerville I like because they're usually available by default on most apps, but Quentin and Professor, we are going to be downloading them today. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the App Store and download the iFont app. There we go. All right, and now we're going to go to Safari and download those fonts. This is the first website, I'll put it down below, and we're just gonna search for Quentin and download it. If you're not sure where your downloads go after you've downloaded them, click this symbol right next to the address bar and that's where you'll find them. So we're gonna download Professor next using this website. Now that they're downloaded, we're going to click on them so that they open in files. And we're going to export them to iFont. If you don't see this option right here, you might have to add it by clicking more. And before I added this to my favorites, it looked like this. And you would just have to click this plus sign on the left-hand side. We're going to start with Professor. We're going to install. And now we're going to go to Settings. You can go to General and click Profiles, and this should also pop up, Profile Downloaded, and we're going to do it that way. Enter in your passcode and install it. Next, we're going to do Professor. Quentin. Now if we go to GoodNotes and use a text tool, I'm going to change this font to Professor. And you can set this as your default font by just clicking Save as Default. And so now every time you use the text tool, it's going to automatically show up using this font. For Notability, I noticed that you do have to restart the app if you download them. But now if we go to more fonts, we have Professor and Quentin available as fonts. And that's it for this video. In the next one, we're going to be adding a color palette and those hex codes to the pen tool, the highlight tool, and the text tool so that we can customize our notes further. Thanks for watching.